What's up? Day 14 of using Chantix to quit smoking after 30 years. It is a moving day. We are working hard, and I was really tired. I fell asleep, and I missed a dose on day 12. I just forgot. I forgot the blood pressure medication too. I was tired, man. We're moving. It sucks. It's not the end of the world. I just picked up where I left off. I skipped a day. Somebody's talking shit. They're like, you tricked yourself into, forgetting to take it because you don't want to quit. I was like, well, no, I actually want to quit, and I actually want to take Chantix because it is working. The good news on that is that I felt really, really good yesterday, and it's because I didn't take the Chantix. It still got me super fatigued, dizzy, lightheaded, nauseous, no dreams really. They are a little vivid, or they're a little more frequent, I'll say. Side effects wise, it's lack of sleep, among the other things. That's the latest and greatest, but it's not a big deal. I can deal with all of these side effects. The fatigue and the lack of sleep is the hardest because they kind of work together, As far as smoking goes, I'm doing my best to stay under 10 a day, which is miles from where I was before, which is like 30. Anything under 10 and I'm okay. I'm satisfied with my accomplishment. Pretty disappointed in myself if I go over 10, which I have done a few times. I do have a trip coming up to California to go see my mom, and she has stage 4 COPD, so I'm kind of pretty careful about when I smoke, where I smoke when I'm out there. I'm kind of wondering if I should make that my quit date, or I'm wondering if she wants to deal with my pissy ass while or if I want to actually enjoy my time hanging out with moms. I don't know. We'll see. She'll probably be pretty encouraging and understanding. She smoked for a long time. So. She never tried Chantix though. So. On a side note, I read an article about Chantix where it said that the success rate was higher for males than it was for females, and I think I know why. I was explaining how I felt. I was telling my girlfriend what was going on, all the symptoms put together, and she's like, sounds like half a period. And I'm like, that's why the success rate is, because when women deal with much worse shit than what I got, us guys, we're just bitches. I think we're all the same. We're all bitches when we have colds. Anyway, this is a long one. Bye. Cheers.